Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alma. If you're new, welcome and join me today as I create this beautiful makeup look. For October 1st, I wanted to create a darker eye. So sit back, relax, and I hope you guys enjoy this makeup tutorial. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, just do it. And thank you so much. Give me a thumbs up if you love this makeup look. Thank you so much. Look at my lips. Hi, everybody. Thank you for joining me today on this beautiful fall day and the first day of October. Oh my God, I'm so happy. I feel like I need to start doing some Halloween makeup looks or like really dark looks. And I am so excited and I'm here for it. Last night was a night and I have a headache today. Yeah, baby. Okay, so today I will be using this palette right here. It's called Amor a la Mexicana. And look at the beautiful colors. Wow. And they're all named by the Mexican states. Not all of them are here, but most of them. The foundation I placed on my face today, I used the Milani Conceal and Perfect. This one is an awesome, it's one of my top favorites, aside from the Milani Maybelline, is this one from the drugstore. And then on my lips, I have on Milani Lip Oil, Fruit Fetish, and Raspberry Peach. Okay, and then I use the mineralized skin finish to set my face. And of course, I use my Laura Mercier to set my lids and my under eyes. Okay, let's go in, man. Let's do it. I'm going to get this fluffy brush. This one is by Wet n Wild. I wanted to do a night look. Like I said, I want to focus on like dark or maybe like simple eyes, bold lip. I do have a black lip gloss that I've been wanting to use and it has glitter on it. I know, I have to take it slow. Okay, so let's get, I don't know, my goodness. Let's get Chihuahua. This color right here is like a peach pink. It's like a really light peachy color. And I'm gonna put that on my crease. Oh my God, you can't even see it. Just barely. And this palette, I got it on TikTok Shop. I know, what the hell. And I saw the swatches on this palette and I really liked it, fell in love with it, bought it, and yeah, they're really good. I feel like this color that I picked for my crease is too light. Like I see it, but I'm packing it more because I'm hoping the camera picks it up. But it's okay, we can gradually work up to a darker one. So let's get Yucatan. This one right here. It's like a, what is it? Like a brown, like a cool brown. Like, yeah. I'm gonna put this on top of that other color that I did. Get more of it. It's giving a little more dimension to the eyes, a little more darkness, like a faint, which is what I want. Okay, so I just made my decision. I'm just gonna roll with it. I'm gonna get this dark. This is probably the darkest color in this palette. This one right here. And you see it shimmers. It's like a it's like a purple. Yeah, it's like a purple shimmery dark color. I also have another lip gloss that I can wear that is more on the nude side that I can wear with this look. So I'm just gonna go for it. I'm a little scared, but it's okay. And I'm gonna just pack it on my lid. I'm doing it with my finger just so I can have a little more control. And I can always blend it in with a brush. Love you, baby. This is what I have so far. I hope you guys stay with me. Stay with me. I have a vision. Okay, so once I placed that color with my fingertips, I'm gonna go back in with the same brush I used for my crease, and it doesn't have anything. I didn't add any color to it. Oh crap. I'm just gonna blend the edges with it, and I know I messed up right here. If I need to go back in with the other color, I can always grab it. And Lily's over here putting her fingers in my stuff. Anyways, I want to pull this side out a little bit, just a little bit. Now I'm gonna get this little straight. It's called a flat eyeliner. I'm gonna use this for the eyeshadow, so I'm gonna pick up that same dark color. It's called Tamaulipas. This one right here, the same one that I'm using on my lid. I'm gonna place it on the bottom, and I'm just gonna line up the bottom lash line. Oh my god, I need a mirror. Yeah, baby. Okay, I'm coming. Okay, so I'm back and my microphone, I don't know what happened to it, so I took it down. Okay, so let's just keep moving. I see this Colima right here. It's like an orange, glittery orange, and I like that for my inner corner. I just keep thinking orange, Halloween, fall. I think it's cool. I don't know. I like it. So I'm going to place it right here. And I'm using a little tiny little pencil brush thingy. I'll do it right here. I don't know. I just felt like doing it like that. And we can always go back and clean this with concealer. Okay, so check it out. This is what we have so far. I just did my mascara and I'm grabbing a little bit of this concealer by e.l.f. with my little brush right here. This is a concealer brush. This is from Bare Essentials. This is from like years ago when I used to use it. I know, I have all my brushes, I'm telling you. And I placed it on the corner right here of my eye just to clean that little area up and, you know, give my eye a little bit of a lift. So once I placed the, oh, where's my brush? Oh, here it is. Once I placed it there where I wanted it, I'm getting this little brush. This is what I used to blend my foundation, my concealer earlier. This is the Complexion Duo by e.l.f. And I'm just gonna blend that through on the corner of my eye. See how it looks much cleaner? It looks very defined as well. And also, instead of doing this, you can also put like a tape right here just to get that really sharp edge on the outer corner. That, or if you want it smoked out, you don't have to do any of those steps. I just contoured my face. I just want to show you guys which one I use. My favorite by Makeup Geek called Burnished. I use this angled brush by Equal Tools. And now I'm gonna contour my nose using my contour brush by Real Techniques. This one right here, little tiny little brush. And I'm gonna do my nose just a tad bit. I just sweep it very gently. I'm not even putting that much pressure into it. Okay, and for my blush, I'm gonna be using the Makeup Revolution Super Dewy Liquid Blush. This one right here. And I'm just gonna see, I have some on my finger, a little squeeze. So I just, whatever I have in my finger, I just spread it out on both cheeks because it can give you a lot. A little goes a long way with this product. And I'm gonna tap it all the way until my blush is blended all the way. And if you feel like when you put these on and you feel like you went too far with it, you can always get your powder brush and diffuse it. That's what I do. Whatever I have on my finger, if anything's left over, I just put it on my nose. Like that. Is it too dark? How is that? I hope it's not too bright when I upload this because I've seen it be bright. I decided to do ponytail today. It's too much. Okay, so there it is. And I'm gonna powder up real quick because I know I got a little oily. I'm telling you, the one that handles my oiliness is the L'Oreal Infallible. Oh my God, that one is amazing. I'm using the mineralized skin finish by MAC. Okay, I wanted to share this lip gloss with you guys just because this could be one look that I can do with this eye look. And I wanted to share it because I just bought it. It's this Sephora number 7. It's called Outrageous. I've been using this one for the past maybe week or so, maybe less than that. I think I've used it like 3-4 days. And it's cool. I like it. It gives you that like tingly sensation. Here, I'm gonna demonstrate it right now on my lips because I think it goes really well with this look. Like if you do a lip liner and you put this on, that's cool. But I don't want to do a lip liner. Or should I? You could do like a, kind of like a, you know, like a brown lip liner or something. Something a little darker than your lip color, and then just put this inside, and I think it looks really cool. Like if you blend in the lip liner, I think this look would look, definitely it would be perfect together. So there it is. I think it looks great with this gloss itself. I also got this one. This one's Outrageous Intense. This is number 2. This is another Sephora one. I haven't opened this one yet. Supposedly this is like a lip plumper. I think this one is too. I mean, it tingles. I haven't seen it plump my lips since I've been using it. It does tingle, and I'm like, oh, it's probably like filling them up and this and that. I cleaned up my lips, okay? Now, the look that the lip that I wanted to pull out is golden. This one right here. Okay, and I wanted to pair it with this color right here. I just wanted to try it because I bought these from TikTok Shop and I've been wanting to use them. So, I've been just curious, like, how would it look with this one? And how would it look with that one? Okay, I did a couple layers of that color. I'm using the Superstay Vinyl Ink in Golden. I did a couple layers of it. I'm just letting it sit, waiting for it to set and settle down. And then I'm gonna do this color on top of it. This color is called Heat, and it's by Queen Cosmetics. I got it on TikTok Shop. If you guys haven't seen my previous video, I explain it there. So I'm picking up the gloss, okay, Heat. Wow. You see how I feel like this lip color gave it like a warmer look? I love it. I love this look. I like the glittery lips, and I'm gonna set this one aside on top of my towel because I'm gonna clean that up. I'm gonna sanitize it. Okay, so there it is, you guys. This is my complete finished look. I really love the way the lips pair with the eyes, and I feel like this lipstick is really, it's perfect. I love it. And look how glossy my lips look. Oh my god, it's super cute. I don't know. I love the way this looks. It's very vibrant but dark at the same time. I don't know how to explain it, but I love it. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it as well as how I enjoyed it creating it. Thank you so much. Have a great day. If you haven't subscribed, just do it. And for my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. Thank you so much for your support. I really, really, really appreciate you guys. I'm very grateful and thankful. And thank you so much. I hope you guys had fun watching this and have a great day. See you guys on the next video.